Did you know that creative writing improves a child's critical thinking, problem solving, and communication skills? And did you know that in the U.S., creative writing in schools has decreased by as much as 42% over the last decade? The problem is that creative writing is a challenging subject for both students and teachers. Introducing We Write, an innovative educational game that aims to reverse this trend by making it fun, easy, and practical to introduce creative writing into the classroom. So here's how it works. On a tablet device, one student in a group starts with the title and first line of a story. The story moves to the next student, who uses their tablet to add their lines and send it to the next student, who does the same. After a few rounds, a story emerges, and without a terrific amount of effort, they've all become co-authors. Meanwhile, their teacher can monitor progress, assign writing tasks, give feedback, and distribute points or rewards for contributions. And students can provide positive feedback by using a like button, just like Facebook. Once the story is finished, they can share it with the class, the entire school, or even with other schools through the global We Write Classroom Network. We Write is effective because it makes it easy to get started writing, and it promotes collaborative writing, which leads to better individual writing too. Plus, it sparks creativity and builds a little confidence. We Write. It's a game, but it's more than that.